guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Couture Lee, and I'm back again with another freaking video. So today I will be doing my most loved video on my channel, which is unboxing of inventory. So if you guys follow me on my personal Instagram page at Couture Lee, I'll put it on the screen. I currently just got certified as a certified lash tech. Woo! Your girl is a certified lash tech, y'all. So with that being said, of course I need items, I need stuff to be lashing with, I need everything to lash with. So you know what I had to do, go shopping. And I'm still kind of currently shopping. So I'm going to make this a two-part video. Like, it's going to be all one video, but like a 2-day thing. So I'm going to be showing you guys what I got in the mail for starting to lash, and putting you guys on if you're on the same journey as me when it comes to if you just got certified as lash. And also congratulations if you did, girl. We on to the next thing. COVID-19 isn't stopping nothing, period. With that being said, I'm not going to make this video extra long. We're going to get right into me opening up my packages. You guys, y'all know I love y'all because I really waited for y'all. To open up these packages, and I was really excited. So let's open these packages up. So we're gonna do this little one. We're gonna cut it open. I think I know what this is because it's the tiniest. So, oop, I got my lash glue. The glue is from Amazon. This is what it looks like. And it's thousands of glue, and you have to pick the glue that's good for you. You have to pick the glue for if you're a beginner. You have to pick the glue for yourself. You know, just pick the best glue for you. If you go to a training to get certified as a lash tech, they will tell you which glue to get. I got my glue. That was the first thing. Let's open up this big boy right here. Let's see what this is. We could just rip this, honestly. Ooh. Ooh, this is my thing for my lash bed. So you put it over your lash bed to cover it. Ooh, it's so comfortable. Okay, I don't want to unravel it but I'll insert a picture of what it's for, and what it's supposed to be used for. But it covers your lash bed to give your lash bed, you know, some protection and comfort for your clients, because they don't want to be sitting on nothing hard. So mine is pink, of course. Gotta have some pink, y'all. So that is the 2 things so far. Let's open up this big box, y'all. If you don't have Amazon Prime, I don't know what you're doing. You must not want your packages quick, because I know I do. Literally, y'all, these packages come in like 2 days or 1 day or same day. It just depends on what you're getting, and if the buyer or shipper has it in stock. Ooh. I don't know what's in here. I want y'all to be able to see me opening it. So, you know, when you are lashing your clients, you need a fan. So let's see. Y'all already know what color I had to get. Already know. Pink. Oh my gosh, it is so cute. Does it work already? Oh, I think you have to. You guys, oh my god, I feel. Check Beauty by Couture Lee on Instagram. Get your lashes done, seeds. Oh, y'all, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, y'all. I love this. I'm so amped. Okay, so that's on Amazon as well. I will leave the products in the description box, or you know what, I think I'm gonna add all the items to my Amazon store, so you guys can just go on there and it takes you directly to the thing. I don't know what this is. Oh, so if you're lash tech, you know you need these. You know, you need these to brush your lashes. They give you another pack. I mean, because you got to give clients those too as they leave. You know, you need these to put the glue in and your lashing. So you need 1,000 of these and more because you're gonna always run out. Oh, yep. When you're taping down your client's eye, it's a whole bunch of tape. You need this, and you need more of this and more of this and more of this, so you can never go wrong. What's this? Oh, you guys, I love this. So this goes under your client's eye. They're the hydrogel, hydro eye patch. So they go under your client's eye. It's more, you know, soothing for your client instead of the tape sometimes, but also I like the tape because it's better so you can be able to see. Oh, these are perfect. So these are for when you're cleaning the lashes. You need this to clean your lashes. Lash extensions. Well, you use these to clean the client's eyelashes before putting the eyelash extensions on. So these like probably about 100 of these in here. That's good. And then, oh, they gave me some more hydrogel eye patches. So that is really good. Now let's find out what's in here. Uh-oh, what's this? What's this? Getting nervous. Getting nervous. I think it's my mannequin head. So if you're starting a lash business, you need a mannequin head. Oh, my gut is showing. If you are starting off your lash business, or if you want to practice making lash strips or whatever, you buy a mannequin head to practice on. If you don't have any, you know, live models. That's exactly what it is. Oh, LG. Oh my God. Ooh, why that makes this look good? Because this ain't got no lashes. Ooh, look at that. Put them on and make. Okay, let me start singing that song. Y'all. So this and all of these items came as a package deal on Amazon. So you didn't have to go buying everything bit by bit. Oh, and it's so soft. Am I the only person that want to smell stuff? Okay, but this is, God, this is perfect. And then they have it on the eyes where you just put the strips on. Oh, it's some more stuff. Oh, all right, y'all. So then they gave me some more tape, which you really need this, you guys. It really helps when you're doing the lashes to be able to see the lashes through, because if you just use some regular white clear tape, it's not going to work. And then they gave me, which I more than likely will not be using, some 12mm 0.12C, and these things are probably hard as a rock because this is not the lash style that you are supposed to use. It's not giving. It's giving synthetic, so but thank you. Keep these in my trays or wherever. And then they gave me, oh, this goes on the client's forehead if you want to rip off the lash thing. Let me give you guys an example because I like giving examples so y'all know what I'm talking about. So I don't like when y'all be lost in my videos, which you guys never are, but you know I just like helping y'all. Okay, so you get your tweezers. You're supposed to peel like this, and then these pads that's in here are supposed to go on the client's forehead if you want to put it on their forehead while you lashing. But you shouldn't really put this on the client's forehead. That is just so rude. So rude, but hey, that came in here. Then it's another one. Then they gave me some more lash rings and some spoolies. Another pair of lash things. And then, ooh, the one and only tweezers, you guys. So my lash class came with one of these great pair of tweezers, and then I bought this off of Amazon, this one right here. These are the pointed ones, and those are very hard for me to use when isolating, so I'm glad this kit came with another pair. So let's open up these. Oh, so this is another straight one like that, but so when isolating, these will be perfect. I'm just thinking, yeah, period poo. All right, y'all, this is perfect. So grateful. I'm so glad that I got everything I need, y'all. So that was that box. That was a lot of items, guys, in that one that one package. Like, this filled the whole table of everything that I need to lash. And then, last but not least, oh, it's this big old thing. I don't know what it is, but we finna find out. I think this is my quilt. No, I think this is my foam for my lash bed. Like, you put this on your lash bed so clients can be comfortable, because y'all know you're laying there for 4 hours and then you could be uncomfortable. Nobody wants to be uncomfortable for 4 hours or 3 hours, however long you take a lash check. Okay, y'all, so ooh, it is here, y'all. It is my fleece for my lash bed. Let's see if it's comfortable. Let me not with it being open like that. I mean, so it's soft, but I was expecting like extra soft. But it's cool, it's soft. It is a full-size fleece pad, provides an extra half of comfort, non-slip, machine washable, and dryable. So this is the lay on top of my lash bed to keep my ladies comfortable for the time being for on my lash bed, you guys. So hold on, my throat feels funny. So this was everything that I got today, you guys. Everything is supposed to be in by Thursday. So I'm going to show you guys me setting up my lash bed probably, and just showing you the lash bed. So I will see you guys on Thursday, and I'm gonna share everything else. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So this is part 2 of me basically showing y'all how the lash bed looks. I'm trying to hurry up because I'm in between clients. So I'm gonna show you guys real quick what the bed looks like. All right, y'all, so this is the lash bed. This is what it looks like. This is how big it is. This is the pink cover that I got for it, and then this is the head thing for my clients to put their head in between. Got a little blanket and some pillows up here for them. But this is how big the bed is. So cute, I love it. I love my little lash bed. I just wanted to come over here and show you guys the bed. This will be the end of this video, my inventory haul for my lash business. If you guys want to see me lashing my clients or any videos like that, please comment down below, or comment down below what you guys want to see for your next entrepreneur video. I hope you guys really enjoyed. This is my lash bed. Comment down below, like, comment, and subscribe if you're not already a part of the Couture fam. I love you guys, and see you guys later.